hak janmit jong ka khatsan tarik rempang arja arpulai hak por kumban riuje janmit kitelit dinggi baklang kila yo ban bamdu ya kawai ke yeng hak Shillong Umlaper riboy district ka padang ha apa ka mau hati constituency. Ketika yeng kadai ka jong kong perida omba bat kat kum ka jing tep ka bala yo lum ketika ding ka bala klang kala yo ban bamdu ya barok ki jing don jing em jong ketika long yeng ki ba kontop nadu ukupa usensar ki jan ki nap ki tiar kitar badaringkat ka pisa ka basilak san hajar tengka bat habaken kelum ka jingduh nong kal kot palat pralak tengka ya kadau jong jing plu 4 lak bentep satya namar ha ketika por bajia ketika jingja katrai yeng lambat ki khun ki dang don chakper ban khet sensar ka ba kham paji na yeng
Kajing say so ha ka rap karyang kajing men ya kinong rap anda la pentre kam ka TMC ha ka ba shipawa jar tingka shisnem anya rap pisa ya baro kinong rap ha ka jela lingba ka jingpen mi ya ka scheme with my farm farmers assistant for rural Meghalaya
hakane ka apnyo trek urempang jan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli kisentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
The mismanagement of sports facilities in Meghalaya is costing the future of our youth dearly. They are lagging behind due to lack of proper training facilities. Is this the Meghalaya we want for our youth? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi Ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 836 000 6060. This 27 February, together, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, a drug-free Meghalaya, strict action against drug peddling, an opening of 50 new de-addiction centers statewide.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka